Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use MAI Playground. This platform offers a limited preview of experimental AI models for image generation, audio transcription, and text-to-speech. Let's start with step 1, generating images with MAI Image Two. This tool creates hyper-realistic images and accurately renders text directly from your prompts. First, navigate to the MAI Image Two section. Next, in the text box, describe the subject, style, and composition you want. For faster results, you can switch to efficient mode. Then, simply press Enter to submit your request. Here are a few example prompts you can try. For a hyper-realistic wildlife shot, type extreme macro photograph of a cheetah's face, zoomed tightly into the eye and surrounding fur. Individual hair strands clearly visible with ultra-fine detail and glossy moisture on the surface. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. For artistic graphic design, try a square event poster with a cream background, a large textured orange illustration in the center. The headline reads, "The I Am MA Cafe." Use an artisanal Scandinavian design sensibility with an aspect ratio of 1:1. Finally, for fashion photography, type photorealistic editorial fashion photograph featuring a sculptural pleated white skirt filling most of the frame. Strong, natural midday sunlight creates a crisp shadow on the ground. Moving on to step 2, transcribing audio with MAI Transcribe One. This tool instantly converts spoken words into written text. First, go to the MAI Transcribe One section. You have two ways to input audio. You can either click the microphone icon to record live audio, or drag and drop an audio file in MP3 or WAV format. Once uploaded, the system will immediately generate a full transcription. Now for step 3, creating natural speech with MAI Voice One. This tool turns your text into lifelike audio with human-level pronunciation and intonation. Start by selecting MAI Voice One. Next, paste any text you want to hear into the input box. If you need to add a new line, press Shift plus Enter. Before generating, you can customize the output by picking a specific voice, like Moss, and a speaking style, such as Joy, to match your tone. Finally, press Enter to generate the audio. Here are a few examples to test out. For a motivational tone, try, "All right, listen up. 10 seconds of focus. Engage your core. Keep that back straight and breathe. Let's go. Push through." For a dramatic delivery, use, "Good friends, attend a moment's breath of thought. The hour is brief, yet within such fleeting time may courage bloom." And for an excited tone, type, "Here we go. The final moments. The crowd is on their feet. The tension is unbelievable. One last push. And there it is." Before we wrap up, here are 2 important tips to keep in mind. First, remember that these are experimental models, so the AI might occasionally make mistakes. Always double-check your results. Second, if you want to dive deeper, you can explore more specialized models and advanced settings by clicking Explore Models on Foundry, which is available in each tool section. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring MAI Playground.